This spacious 2006 Honda CR-V has been detailed and is now ready for the road. This 5-door SUV has expansive seats, and is equipped with a responsive 2.4-liter inline 4-cylinder 16-valve engine, and fluid transmission, and has the safety and security of 4-wheel drive. Its electronic features include an audio system with an AM/FM radio, a cassette deck, a disc auto changer and 6-disc remote CD changer, a 6-disc remote auto changer and a 6-speaker in-cabin sound system. This vehicle keeps your safety in mind with a 4-wheel anti-lock braking system, 4-disc brakes with 2 ventilated discs and both driver and passenger front, multi-stage deploying airbags with occupant sensors. Please contact our professional sales staff today to schedule a test drive.